guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to make attractive creatives using Canva, a free application. So on the Canva dashboard, you will get to see all these templates. So these templates are related to the particular topics which are displayed. So whenever you select a particular creative, so there will be templates for free use and some are pro versions of it which you need to pay and use. Social media and go to Instagram story. So from these templates, you can select one. You can also search for templates here in this section. So I'm selecting this template. This is the page one. So you can double click on it and enter any text you want. Reminder. You can select this text and backspace it and enter your own text. So if you want to increase the font size, you can increase it here. And you can also change the text color by clicking here. So you can select any color of your choice. You can also change it to bold or italic. You can also change the font type here, like so. And you can also change the alignment of it. So if you want it to the left, right, or center, according to your choice, it will get modified. So I want it to the center. And if you want any animations to be added to this text, you can add it. This will be of 5 seconds. If you want to decrease or increase it, you can change it here. So once you are done with it, you can download it. So if you want, you can download it in the different versions of it.